Hey guys, I am back with another bagong gising update. So again, sorry if I look like this because I wanted to share with you guys what I got recently, and right now I am still kind of speechless because I can't believe this whole thing happened, and this whole thing is like, wait, I need to show you. Okay, gago ang laki ng box. Honestly, I can't even hold it up. Look at that. So this box contains a very spontaneous purchase and kind of foolish purchase. Basically, I joined a lottery for something in Japan and I won, and now it's here. So I will show you guys what's inside. Anyway, let's go. Gotta figure out which way it goes. Story time. I didn't even know I was gonna get this thing. I just pretty much gambled my chance, and it's actually an exclusive in Japan. I don't think that they've sold it anywhere else. So yeah, there we go. Okay. Oh my God! Oh! Okay, this box, I didn't expect to be so big. I'm sorry, my voice. I'm speechless right now. Here we go. So if you guys don't know already, I am a very big fan of the Persona series, particularly Persona 3. So I've been very happy with Atmos because they've been making new games like Persona 3 Portable, Persona 3 Reload, and now I actually got the Atmos Puma Collab, which is exclusive in freaking Japan, guys. Like, I am obsessed with it. Like, oh my God, I can't even believe it. I have it. So I'm gonna show you guys what's inside the box, and then let's talk about it. So there's like a lot of freebies inside. You can actually buy the shoes by themselves, or you can get this whole special box, which I did. So I'm like, oh. So small items, first you get like an acrylic stand and a sticker with the key visual of the collaboration. So this is the key visual, right? It's basically the main character showing off his C's armband and the shoes, the design of the shoes, and we'll get into that later. And you also get an acrylic stand of him. Look at him. He's like my favorite MC out of all of the MCs. So you get a t-shirt, which unfortunately is a size L. And then in the front, you have the C's logo and the silhouette of the key visual of the main character. And then behind, you have like how they do the splicing of like the artwork. So this is what the back of the shirt looks like. Pretty cool. Another item that you get is a hoodie. And I love hoodies, even if it's like a size large. I don't really care. So this is what the hoodie looks like. It's plain black, but you have the C's icon right there. So what it stands for is Special Extracurricular Execute Sector. This is what the bag looks like. Ang cool. Honestly, this is really cool for me because it's kind of right in your face, and I know that most people will be like, what the heck does that mean? What is C's? Like, dude, if you know, you know, right? I really love this. I'm so obsessed with it. I'm gonna cry. So now we have the shoes. Unfortunately, it doesn't come in any special kind of box because the whole box is already a vibe right there, right? Here we go. This is a very unassuming green box. Oh my God. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. These are so cool. Help. Help. Like, how can I wear these else? How do I preserve these? Do I wear these? Because honestly, they look so badass, guys. Let's go through the whole look. So there you go. You get like a little tag also. So these are the shoes. It's made out of like white leather, mix of white and black leather. And then the red lip is also leather. And then on the side, you have mass destruction right there. It looks so cool. Inside, you also have the different logos of Persona 3, Puma, Atmos. Okay, and then this is actually my favorite part. The soles of the shoes have C's, the C's word on them. That looks so cool. It looks good, guys. Holy shorts. I'm not really into bright pops of color when it comes to my shoes, but I will make an exception for Persona 3 Reload. So there you go. These are my shoes. Oh my God, they're gorgeous. Anyway, so thanks so much for sticking around. Bye.